Guys, we are shooting. Wait. Still shooting this night, guys. Night scene. How is you? Good evening, guys. Thank you. Happy Sunday, guys. It's Sunday and I'm shooting. Sunday and I'm shooting. Where was shooting? Ah, sweetie, you are still here. You are still here.
You stayed by 2 o'clock.
Have you been shooting? Really?
Have you shooting?
You're live.
Oh, really? Hi!
Really, meet my new friend on this set. How many things have you shot? I'm a bunny boy. Really? Yeah. Since you finished that, your best man one of yours. Oh, so let me go and kill my own.
Yes, so
Let me go and kill. Oh, really? That's fine. This is my room. Where's my room? Ray! Ray is here. Ray, you're live. You're live.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're running it.
We're
Yes.
doing it.
On this set, I'm Frank. Call me
Yes.
Frank.
There's Rainbow the Cafe.
Yeah, my name is Raymond Okafo.
On Instagram.
Yes, Ray Okafo on Instagram, _. On TikTok, Ray Okafo. On Facebook, my page is Raymond Okafo, and then my account is Abraham Raymond Okafo.
So how much are you paying for this advert?
The advert?
Yes.
It depends on how many followers I get. If I
You're
get like
gonna
1,000,
you're gonna get a
if I
lot.
get like 1,000,
Okay.
I'm
You're
like,
gonna like it. In 2 days. Go.
Okay. Then I'll give you 200K.
Hey, wait. Hey, wait.
Oh boy, yeah.
Oh boy, yeah. You guys should go and follow him. Oh. He said
Follow me.
200K.
200K,
Oh,
200K,
boy,
yeah.
yeah.
If I get 1,000 followers, I'm gonna do a giveaway of 200K. If I get 1,000 followers on my Facebook page, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Raymond Okafo,
Now your
1,000.
page,
I have about 300 followers. My page is 300. I just started it.
Guys, follow him on his
So if you can
page.
follow me on my page,
Raymond Okafo.
I'll do a giveaway. Raymond
Go.
Okafo.
I heard you've been killing it, you've been shooting.
What do you know now? I work
How you carry me come? No get choice.
You won't start now.
You know, beside me, or when I finish, I call you. You make a choice.
Okay, so I'll make it 2,000 followers. If you guys can give me 2,000 followers, I'm gonna take her
I'll
home.
drop her off.
2,000 followers, guys.
Follow Ray. In fact,
Yeah.
dope actor.
I'm gonna try to follow you for real.
When I follow and go bedroom.
Ladies,
Oh my God. Hey! Ray, are you an actualistic?
But you don't get like this now for this 3 times. That's why God created it. But you know where
I don't get it up, but I'm not carrying it. So you don't let me change it. He knows what he's going to show you. That's the costumian. Costume, you're lying.
So I have to start making No. Okay, I don't use makeup for this.
Okay, then let's go.
Okay, I should wear the night gown. I should wear that one. That's fine. Can you wash his irons? Yes. I should also finish the iron. That's all.
This one now, I just got to the blend for that one. See here. this is not necessarily midnight. When they wear night wear now for midnight. You understand that? This is more like 7 o'clock into 12. It's daylight. It's ask me what really costs here. You understand now? Unless you're giving us something that is not this night wear, I'll agree with you.
Guys, I'm live. As you can see, today is Sunday. I lost my voice actually. I lost my voice not on this set. I had some throat, so I'm treating it already. It's Sunday today and we are filming. You see this job, raise your hand. You see this job, it's not easy. You understand? And people will be like, don't be acting. Acting is not a serious job. Are you joking? All the workers are already in the house. Some are even sleeping now. Now we won't start work. Sometimes we end 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Sometimes every day, like for 5 days. We know the rest, we know the chill. We're just working. Though it's what I am praying for. I in particular, I want to be working. I'm not in this town to rest. I'm not in this town to slay. I'm here to work. I'm here to pursue my dream. I'm here to be in the bigger market. So I'm not here to play at all. And we are here and working for my industry mommy, Uche Nancy production. Is something. It's something I do not joke with. I love Mama so much, and she's my. In fact, she's my friend. She's my mama. She's my big sister. She's everything to me. So you're gonna keep seeing me on a channel back to back. And after this job, by the grace of God, we're starting another immediately. So it's gonna be fun, walk in the city of Asaba. I've been the people. My Edo people, thank you so much for your love, for your encouragement, for your support, for everything you do for me. There will be no Ebony or Basuyi without you guys. Can you concentrate on me and leave comment alone? Thank you so much. Comment look, comment reader. I will log you into my other account so that you can be deleting comments. Negative comment. This is my PA and a person. She did a record, she did read the comment. Is it your comment? So guys, is the camera blurry or bright? Is it okay? Is it sharp? Okay. So guys, I'm waiting for the costume to finish so I can go inside and change my costume and go on set and do what I know how to do best, shooting. I'm super excited guys, trust me. What? Is it too bright on my face?
Great.
You like this one like this? I should on the light like this. So guys, I so much appreciate all. Baby, are you leaving? Okay. I so much appreciate you all. So I should change now. Producer, we are doing our best actually. So sometimes you give us some accolades, okay?
All I try.
I'm gonna try. Come. So guys, I want to go and change. Ray, come and see. They'll be showing all of them that are here. Ray, hold this live video for me. Be telling them to follow you. Be telling them
Okay, guys, tap.
Ray, talk to them.
Okay, yeah. Hey guys, my name is Raymond Okafo. I'm an actor, and on this set,
I'm playing Frank. Oh, thanks for the sticker. Oh my gosh, you guys are showing love. Okay, yeah. So this film is one film you guys don't want to miss, for reals. Zara, what's up now? Why you attack me now? Oh my God, Zara said just 3 days in Asaba. I don't get UK accent. Jesus Christ. This one loud. Yeah, well, actually, the film is a great one. It's something like it's a comedy, yeah. But the comedy is the most realistic comedy. This is not something we say if you watch and you go to relate like directly. Your mind go to day once. You understand? So that film we say you guys anticipate. I swear down, like no cap, man, no cap, no cap. And thank you guys for all the support, all the love. I get the messages, like, and you guys should help me thank Ebony. She's like, oh my gosh, I don't even want to start our own page, our own story right now. I would say she's my godmother. She don't know, I never tell her. I'll say she's my she's my godmother in the industry. She's been doing a great job, you know, helping me, connecting me. You know, she's well connected. She's, you know, so she's been doing a whole lot of good stuff for me. I want y'all to go to her DM and thank her for me. Just tell her Raymond said, y'all should thank her. Yeah, so moving on. If you never follow me, try go follow me. So I just created my Facebook page, right? I created my Facebook page, different from the account, you know what I'm saying? I just newly created my Facebook page. So I go like making I just go follow me up for that place. I try build the page, make whether they'll monetize and see the cash out. If I thought this industry get away to build, this industry, if you want to know the your they go choke you, swear down, man. So let's go support, And y'all don't forget what I told y'all. Don't tell her.
Yeah. Told y'all. You what he told y'all. If you don't see me, may not believe him. Okay. So guys, we are here. We are here. You can come. Have yourself one place. Yeah.
They top the frog.
See skin now.
Okay, let's do it.
Take.
Something fish is going down.
If I want take, let's go.
I'm gonna take out one thing.
Why?
I'm gonna take out like 7 things.
I
wanna talk after. I got my back. I'm gonna also.
Right. I mean,
Four. You would offer it.
Now, one person, are you?
One person. Why one?
2.
Can't like
So,
more than
well, he have nights.
Then yeah, I think I'm gonna get shit. I'll put it on this side. You know, cut now.
You must shut you. No, so true.
This time I start national begging. I walk in. This I walk in. Rolling.
When you are shy, you are not
Wow. 5.
Oh, man.
You in the top. Where you?
Let you know.
Auntie, just my church is sitting and listening.
Oh, no, middle.
Why not? Just How you want them to do it? Just how comfortable you
Like this, and I'll be
You okay like this?
Yes.
Check if that light is on.
Skin. This one be much. So this my fine skin because shrink kill you there.
If you go back, just go.
I'm still very hot, still in the market as
Just give a chance so that I pray.
still in the market. I'm supposed to wear spaghetti on this scene because I was admiring my skin and the skin is covered. Do you understand?
Excuse me.
Thank you, baby.
Mop will remove this one because I was admiring my skin. It should be this black and this one. Do you understand? I was admiring my skin and this is covering my body. So it will go on this scene. So this one will go like this.
Sando!
Sound.
Come and take care of everything.
Oh my God.
I can shop it now, yes.
You see any Sando? Just come on, this is use Google. Please don't use. No shoot.
Before they refuse, maybe just it's here, in case they are selected.
That's an account.
No, they had, no, they subtract. This one is
Already, let's go, rolling. Quiet, oh, I beg, oh. I told me what to put him back this night.
I walked in.
Solid. Yes, dear, let's go. Because that was my fault. Stop calling me.
Well, let's go. It's quiet. Quiet.
Rolling. Ananas, go back. Rolling. And then you're coming in from where?
From this side.
Nah, there you can make comment.
They're through here.
Rolling. Call.
Call it.
Scene 3. Take 1. Action.
I don't understand. Skin, skin like milk. Now this holy woman they call shrink. Shrink kill you there. You're very stupid. No, you cannot kill my shine. And I will never give you the opportunity. I'm still very hot in the market. Oh, shaprapra. You're very stupid. Nonsense. What is wrong with my skin now?
Thank you.
That's it.
Next.
So, this is
They do since.
Thank you.
when also
So I can have that
Let's go
jacket.
because
Yes. Thank you.
listen.
Why is it that you
Simple.
Skin my skin is like milk.
81.
Skin like milk now.
See,
Oh,
81. We're
shaprapra.
trying to dial down his number. It keeps ringing without being answered. Why is that behaving like this now? That's the end of the scene.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
We're looking very fresh.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah, I'm hearing you. Talk to me. I'm hearing you.
Continuity.
I'm
Continuity.
hearing you. I'm hearing you. Which one is you don't know what I'm doing? You are used to
Guys, I lost my voice. I lost my voice since step first today. It's been crazy. But I'm just managing.
So much dinner.
Kilomi.
Ijowa.
Now we there, yeah.
Let's go. Call it. Action. Call it. Action. Hey, I'm on your job. Now, which kind of team this one? I'll make me know for you. No, fast though, but they don't go help. My for magic. Well, let's go.
Guys,
Yes.
we're filming.
You get me some
We're
naka.
shooting.
Me da bro, me eche mo woye nyere yo je eche. Eche mo woye nyere yo je eche me.
My dear, oh, I lost my voice, oh. I lost my voice. I'm having sore throat. Okay, my face. Okay. Take.
Well, let's go. Roll.
Now in this scene, you'll be pacing with your phone, trying to get out of the not picking. At the point, you take that line of why is that repeating? Then you still continue to try.
That's all.
Yeah.
Let's go. Just shoot and finish now. You don't finish as far as I'm concerned.
Rolling.
Some go.
Okay, you're the only one shooting it.
Yeah.
Yeah, she.
Is it the same place? Is it the same place?
And the pace round.
Okay. You know the hair round, madam. You know we go find.
I'm with you. Same party, give me the other lens. I'm with you. Same party.
Okay, no this.
Same party, the other lens.
Yeah, you saw what? I'm hearing you now. Talk to me.
So to me, I have for you.
No, my inside room now. I'm hearing you. We are inside room. We are shooting. I'm hearing you talk. Yes.
Ijowa, they come to you for the next video.
Okay.
Come on.
That one.
Call it.
This one, no, you're the share. Now, please turn it to this side, man.
Can you please stand? Let me finish.
Okay. You're supposed to be the one on set.
Is it day or night?
Night.
Come it.
Let's go.
Something like that.
Go away.
What are you doing, Bigger?
I'm seeing you.
Make us sound.
Once you go.
So to get away from them.
Get away.
Call it.
Call it.
Go now, you.
No more than
Say that. No, say that I'm rolling.
Make it pass. Make it pass. Block.
I didn't see my shadow.
Scene
Which shadow you dey see now for this night that you just match up?
Okay, roll it.
Scene 81. Master shot and see you on Dami. Take one.
Please quiet.
Action.
Why is Dari behaving like this? Why is he not picking my calls? Pick your phone. Pick your phone. What's going on? What's going on?
Still trying. Thank you.
First time in America. Disturbing America. That's it.
Send costume. Country. Country. Send costume. Huh? The same costume.
Okay, I'm wearing this. Okay, not a nightwear
Just
anymore.
on top that one. Just on top that one.
Really?
I bet my brother.
Okay, so
No be no be sleeping. Oh my God is here. I'm still live, baby.
Oh, hi guys.
This is Facebook Live.
You get fans
Opa,
on Facebook.
Opa,
Mad.
Opa,
Call it.
Opa, yeah. That I made
Na fan page or the personal page?
fan page.
Okay.
You get your fan page now?
Yeah, but nothing is happening.
Because you're not active. Come. What are you doing?
Please change your let's film. Hey, no follow.
What are you doing? Where did you go?
That's it, I'll be wrong.
Auntie, please burn this script, please.
Be showing everybody around. Show everybody around. Let me change. This one has, it's just for you.
I'm not gonna do my own Caribbean, and I just want to see my gates. Do you understand? I will come sit down for one scene while I get off and I shoot my shoot.
No, we're almost done. Just this one.
No, one scene I get now.
Oh, that's too fine to be come. Oh,
But no be like this now. Only one scene I get. Usually I will just do my own.
you don't need to now. Oh. Well, let's go. Call it.
What hair am I using? Those hairs I've been using since.
Any of it.
What's the number is this?
This one is not in flashback.
What's the number? 114. Almost the end.
NK.
Let's go.
Yes.
You got your head.
114.
Why give me the red hair? Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Please share this video. Share this video, guys. Share this video. Let it go viral, okay? We are shooting. I'm doing what I know how to do best, guys.
Let's shoot now. Let's go.
They won't go bring my hair. Mamma mia.
Don't do it.
They want to bring the hair. Your body to the hot.
I won't go out. I'm tired.
Your girlfriend their house.
Whether you there or no there, I will go out.
Even if you're not there. Let's be taking the lines before my girl bring my hair. My hair. Let's see it. Can we use your script? Like play. You are my bestie in this movie.
Now they have
My own.
from Auntie Oma.
Yes.
It's fine.
Okay. It's an everlasting. Guys, I bought this hair today from Auntie Oma Nadi. No, this is our job. We need plenty hair, so we bye. Scene 164.
All day or night.
Now you get first.
Yeah? Well, let's go. We are ready.
But this can't be the first time. No.
First time in
I wish you can hear them.
I said 64, not 4.
Eh?
Page 38.
Yes. Okay, let's go. God is good indeed.
My darling, what God cannot do does not exist.
I know.
So be a more time to let out.
From Sonia.
How did you?
No, when your time comes, nothing.
When your time comes, please come your miracle.
Exactly. 64 can you make it?
How did your visit with the doctor go?
Everything is fine. We did the scan. Frank was on video call, so and he could not stop shedding tears.
Child, my God, glory be to God.
Hallelujah.
The Lord is good. Okay, from the beginning.
Okay.
God is good indeed.
What code can I use?
It does not exist, my sister. Now you didn't talk that word for.
You know.
See, when your time comes, nothing can stop you.
Exactly.
Child,
I'm so grateful.
I'm more grateful to God for you. My dear, how did you go with the doctor?
It went well.
Child.
Baby's fine. Everything is fine.
Child.
Frank was in the video call with us, and I've been living room.
I was going to
Instead we will run for the care house.
Like,
you know, they are those nights for the good day.
It can be any time.
I'm not room and we are at this point.
Understanding.
I'm going to get the other.
As long as you want to be realistic in life, there are some things you don't do. There are things you do that will strong up Maria, and before you wake up from it, you do it. This discussion now, here can suggest so many things. These are not lessons. These are friends. You understand? So, my chief, for them to walk into the power control to the bedroom and discuss this when there's a power. I don't get it. Look at the me the reason. Because if you put it together, you can actually go up to
Well, that is for me. Depends on how close you are with the person. If it's a close papa,
Well, I suppose because I used to give them a...
then bedroom is
Can
perfect. Yes.
Well, let's finish now.
Yes.
Well, let's finish.
Yeah. Babe, Abi, because there are some friends that come, they'll be in your sitting room. There are some that back into your bedroom. Can't slap you for your bed.
it's not supposed to be hide and seek your engagements and
Oh, yeah.
so men will not just focus on I alone. Focus on yourself. So it's
And after the whole thing, the point
something
come.
that is celebrated. NK. So you know that first line of God is good indeed. Not for you. Because you
NK.
your ring in front of her. All this kind of
I'm not going to need to attack you.
you can't say what God cannot do does not exist.
Before
So yes, when your time comes, nothing will stop you. Madam Lovett don't talk say you get
correct.
now God don't answer. So the celebration it actually started from you and fall back to her.
Then I should flaunt the ring while saying, God is good indeed.
Yeah.
My dear,
And the ring
this is
is
beautiful.
good.
You get it?
Very fine.
Yes, now. I think woman want to engage me so. So I'm getting engaged in the movie.
If you attack and fix you, make you not always forget. Make you not go open up, you can always continue.
Oh, yeah.
We are ready.
Master.
Married.
There's a knockout.
Prof, will you very blessed? Don't worry, never say anything. When you do it, you write the
First time in America. First time in America.
So Jimmy, how do you sing that? Like, let's you sing.
Oh,
How you sing that?
yes, you did.
Singing, rejoicing.
These are ladies' skin.
My sister. Hey, hey! Check out my ring. It's beautiful. Check it out. I can't wait.
You know what happened?
for the
They here.
lady.
They here.
Okay.
They. Go here.
Okay.
You will begin to
Nobody will talk.
where are you taking the shot?
I will take it from you.
Okay,
I will
from
take
there.
it. You never now. They take it. 2 shots.
On as that will not, it's just one straight answer. Where you taking the shot?
That side.
No, let's go now. Let's go.
Hey, wait. I think I'm going to be the one to push you. It was a straight question. Because it's only so much. You do it so.
Yeah, but I tried to whatever they want. Every guy didn't miss it. That's every guy.
No, as you just talk about, don't look at.
This one here on light.
Let's go.
Hello.
Hey, I still say, I don't know if I'm
Sorry.
no, but it's a cold thing. Somebody came in shop for him. No, you won't know because comments concern you.
If you do best to see you, Paul. Now you know what is that place now. Huh?
Why you come out for them?
Yeah,
They say me and you, but me and you know what they say.
Yeah,
Why you carry your camera come for them?
because man,
Boy, yeah,
let me first come here.
seriously.
Let's go.
I don't understand. We dey fight. We went to the fight. What are we fighting? They fight for space.
No, you'll be like, like, the surprise.
This one shall wait till they
Oh,
do.
you said what God
Rolling.
Wait till they do. Wait till
Too
they
short,
do.
do see you.
That's it.
Too short, do see you. Man, I come out that fan for me.
I also said I should go inside.
Props.
No.
Stay here.
No, that's
Inside.
Come on. Put down now. Put that here. First time in America.
Well, let's do. Quiet.
Now let's go. Call.
Okay. Sound. Are you good?
Call it.
Rolling.
Scene 64. 2 shots and see you on Danny. Take 1. Action.
This is beautiful. God is good.
God is good indeed, my sister. My dear. Hey.
My sister, what God cannot do does not exist. Look at us.
Pause.
Look at us.
Dave, you stated the facts now. You stated the facts.
Danny.
Super happy for us. Trust me.
My sister.
So tell me, how did it go with the doctor?
It went well.
Oh.
The baby's fine.
Oh. I'm blushing on your
Frank
behalf.
was on a video call.
Really?
My dear.
Oh.
He could not stop crying.
Child.
You need to see my husband.
Babe, who will not cry now? Who will not cry? It's been long, girl.
5 years.
Child, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations to us.
My darling, I'm happy for you.
Oh.
I mean, look at your
See me now.
Look at your
See me now. Who the breathe?
Who there?
Who the?
Who there?
Who
Who
the?
there?
Oh my goodness.
Look at us, Danny.
Yes, babe. We are there already. We are there. Should I speak Irish? No, I'm trying to know if we skip our line. Okay, yeah. I just wanted to be sure we didn't skip our lines.
So we are done.
Yeah.
Reverse, okay?
Reverse, okay. Sweetie, can you quickly on the fan, please?
First time in America.
Let's go. Call it.
Okay. Sound your good.
Yes. Here.
You stated the fact.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. We now said what God cannot do doesn't exist, right?
No, she
That's
said
what you said.
she said what God cannot do.
And now, that's when I said
You
stated the
stated
fact.
the fact.
Yeah,
Okay, let's film.
who they
Zeus. You first said who they breathe.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
who they-
Are you good?
Okay.
Sound.
Hold your hand, so I'll go from the
She
hand.
wants to engage me.
Call it. Quiet. Quiet.
Okay, that's
Are
it.
you
Quiet, oh.
Roll it.
Scene 64. See you on Jenny. Take 1. Action.
This is beautiful.
Yes, babe.
God is good.
Indeed, my sister. God is good indeed.
Sister, look at us.
Look at us now.
what God cannot do does not exist.
Babe, you stated the fact. You stated the fact, girl. Just now.
Tell me, look at
Oh my
us.
goodness, babe, I'm super duper excited. This is beautiful.
There's one big wire at your back.
Okay, here. But this is our hand thing, so I have to do this way.
It's okay, it's okay.
Eh?
I'm not seeing your
I
hand.
can do
I'm
this
seeing your
way.
face.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'll just do it.
Okay, let's go. Rolling.
Scene 64. See you on Jenny. Take 2. Action.
This is beautiful.
I'm telling you, babe.
Oh my God, God is so good.
Indeed, God is good.
Tell me, look at us.
Look at us now.
My sister, what God cannot do does not exist.
You stated the fact, girl. You stated the fact. Oh my God. Baby girl, this is
Tell me, look at
beautiful.
us.
I'm super duper excited. So tell me, how did it go with the doctor?
Well, it went well.
Mm-hmm.
The baby's fine.
Oh, I'm blushing on your behalf. Oh
Frank
my
was
God.
on a video call with us.
Oh.
My dear, you need to see my husband.
Mm.
My husband was crying.
Babe, who wouldn't cry
Tears of
now?
joy.
Who wouldn't cry? It's been longer.
5 years.
Oh, babe, this is beautiful. God, I'm super excited. Girl. Who that breathe? Who that That is me. I'm super excited, girl. This is amazing.
Thank you. Yay.
Where's my phone?
Hola.
Give me.
What's it?
We are done. Are we done with this scene?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So next scene.
Okay.
Just
Man, here is hot.
See what we are going through. Heat wants to kill us.
Heat wants to mesmerize us.
let's NK.
Man.
NK.
Are you good to go?
Yes.
7:30, no, 7:30, 8 o'clock, don't start shooting. That house, yes. I beg.
No. She's the only one in this one. NK.
Oh, man.
Yes. You know, change here. NK. NK, you know, change here. I bet me ask NK whether she wants to change this one.
Baby, you're leaving.
You do
My ring.
ring.
My ring. This is nice. This is my next costume. Nice wear. Yes. So you wish. I have to go now, guys, okay?
I'm not going to shoot here.
Let me go and check.
Okay, chill, let's go. Our location is tomorrow, that's the place. And then,
Okay.
that's the place, 7:30.
Alright, guys, I love you all. Share this video. Okay. Baby, can I come in? Alright, guys, I love you all. Bye.
You're going off.
Yeah, I'm going
Oh, it's
off.
like she hold on for you now.
I feel so we don't take for the live video. When I don't watch until you finish. Okay, guys, share this video. I love you. Baby, tell them good night.
Good night.
Good night.